Electrical Globe welcomes you. This video presents information about differences between single phase and three phase supply. Single phase supply requires only two wires to complete the circuit, but three-phase supply requires three or four conductors depending on the configuration. Single phase supply is the AC power where all the voltages has same sinusoidal pattern, but three-phase supply is the AC power where there are three sinusoidal voltages having 120-degree phase differences. Single phase is very simple, but three phase is complex than single phase. Alternative name for single phase supply is split phase system, but alternative names for three phase supply are polyphase system or multi-phase system. In case of single phase supply, power failure occurs due to a fault in power line, but three-phase supply is impervious to power failure due to fault in signal power line. Single phase supply can power small loads less than 1000 watts, but three phase supply can power heavy loads above 1000 watts. In case of single phase supply, the voltage and current goes to zero in a cycle. But in case of three phase supply, the voltage and current never goes to zero. Single phase supply is less reliable and efficient than three phase power supply, but three phase supply is more reliable and efficient than single phase power supply. Single phase supply cannot generate rotational magnetic field in induction motor. It uses extra circuitry, but three-phase supply can generate electromotive force without any extra circuitry. Single phase supply carries less power than equivalent three-phase supply, but three-phase supply can carry high power as compared to three single-phase AC power supplies. In case of single phase supply, the supplied voltage is equal to the voltage difference between phase and neutral. But in case of three-phase supply, the phase-to-phase voltage is equal to root 3 times the phase voltage, while phase to neutral voltage is equal to single phase voltage. The power losses in single phase is relatively higher, but the power losses in three phase is relatively lower. Single phase supply is used for power distribution over short distance, but three-phase supply is used for power transmission over long distances because of lower copper losses. Single phase supply needs expensive converters to convert into three-phase power supply. But why arranged three-phase supply can offer three single phase using either phase wire and neutral wire. Single phase supply is less economical as compared to polyphase supply, but three-phase supply is more economical as it uses only four wires instead of six to supply the same power. Single phase supply is used for powering home appliances and office equipment, but three-phase supply is used for powering heavy loads in industries. I hope you guys have understand this video. Thank you guys for watching this video.